Unlock the full power of Nano Banana Pro without emptying your wallet a circumflex euros. Let's explore how. The first and most reliable path to experiencing Nano Banana Pro for free is by leveraging official trial. Offers many premium software services, including potentially Nano Banana Pro. Provide limit-time free trials to new users. Navigate to the official Nano Banana website and look for any prominent banners or links advertising a free trial. Start your free month, or a similar call to action designed to grant you access for a set period. Keep a close eye on Nano Banana's official channels for promotional periods. Companies often run limit-time campaigns or special events where they grant temporary or even extended free access to their premium features. This could be during holidays, software updates, or as part of a broader marketing initiative. Signing up for their newsletter or following their social media accounts is a great way to stay informed about these opportunities. Beyond direct trials, explore alternative acquisition strategies. Some software providers partner with educational institutions, nonprofits, or offer specific programs that grant free or heavily discounted pro access. Investigate if Nano Banana has any such initiatives that you might qualify for. This could involve verifying academic credentials or affiliation with a qualifying organization. When exploring these methods, it is absolutely crucial to prioritize ethical and legal considerations. Always ensure you are using official, legitimate pathways. Attempting to bypass payment through unauthorized means or exploiting loopholes found on unofficial forums can lead to legal repercussions and is not condoned. Focus on legitimate trial offers, official promotions, and any partnership programs that Nano Banana may openly provide. By staying informed about official offers and acting responsibly, you can discover legitimate ways to harness the power of Nano Banana Pro. Happy exploring, and remember to always respect the terms of service.